Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into something that's turning a lot of heads, the Invisible Traffic System by Shane Nathan. This brand new program claims to help you create faceless YouTube videos that go viral in just 10 minutes. No camera, no editing, and no tech skills needed. In this video, we'll explore exactly what the Invisible Traffic System offers, the real pros and cons, and the exclusive bonuses you'll get if you decide to grab it through the link below. So stay tuned, hit that like button, and let's find out if this viral system really delivers. What if I told you there's a 10-minute faceless video hack that pulled in over 628,000 views? No camera, no editing, and no tech skills. In this video, I'm reviewing Shane Nathan's Invisible Traffic System, showing you what's inside, who it's for, and how it can help you turn viral traffic into daily passive income. Let's be real, most people grind for months on YouTube and still get nowhere. They film for hours, edit endlessly, and still barely crack 100 views. Shane flipped the script. Using this AI-powered system, he went from 0 to 628,000 plus views and 5,300 plus subscribers, completely faceless. The Invisible Traffic System shows you exactly how to do the same, creating viral, faceless videos in under 10 minutes. No camera, no mic, no expensive tools. You'll discover the exact video format YouTube's algorithm is rewarding right now, the AI tools Shane uses, most are free, how to scale those views into leads and affiliate sales, and how to stay completely invisible while building an income-producing channel. What's wild is Shane didn't just test this once. He launched a second channel in a brand new niche, and it worked even better. 201,000 plus views, 2,300 plus subs, and 30,000 plus views from a single video. Shane's not just anyone. He's the general manager at Warrior Plus, the platform behind hundreds of top launches. He sees every winning offer and trend before it hits the public. When he tested this for himself and then did it again in a different niche, the proof was undeniable. And now he and Dave Espino have teamed up to release the system to the public at a massive discount. When you grab the Invisible Traffic System through my link below, you'll also get my exclusive bonuses: Faceless Video Launch Tracker, a plug-and-play tracker for your own viral uploads, AI Video Prompts Pack, 50 ChatGPT and Flicky prompts to generate faceless video scripts fast, YouTube Email Loop Blueprint. Learn how to turn every video into leads and recurring income. Click the link in the description. These bonuses disappear once the launch window closes. This is perfect for beginners, introverts, or anyone who wants to grow on YouTube without being on camera. If you want to make faceless AI videos that drive traffic and build your list, this system gives you the exact blueprint. The system is proven, the results are real, and the window's open, but not for long. Hit the link below to grab your copy of the Invisible Traffic System plus my exclusive bonuses before the price goes up. Let's go viral invisibly. Learn now from creator of Invisible Traffic System, Shane Nathan and Dave Espino, what they have to say.
If you could trigger 276,000 views in just 21 days, without showing your face, without recording a voiceover, without running ads, without spending hours making videos. It sounds impossible, but that's exactly what happened to Shane Nathan. And today, for the first time ever, he's revealing how he did it. What you're about to discover is not the usual YouTube tips you've seen before. There's no talking head content, no jumping on trends, no thumbnail clickbait. Instead, it's a completely different kind of YouTube channel. A faceless, AI-powered format that's designed to bring you ongoing passive income for life. It taps into a strange algorithm trigger and quietly pulls in thousands of views per day completely free. It's what we call the Invisible Traffic System, and it's built for people who want free traffic, tons of email subscribers, and massive passive income without being on camera or creating traditional content. Now, if you don't know Shane, let me explain why this matters. Shane Nathan is the general manager at Warrior Plus, one of the leading digital products platforms with millions of customers. So if you've ever opened a deal of the day email or a featured promotion from Warrior Plus, you've seen Shane's name. He's not just anyone. He's the one choosing which products get featured, promoted, and spotlighted every day. He reviews hundreds of offers and launches every week. He sees everything, which offers are working and which offers are not. So when someone like Shane finds something that's getting results like this, you pay attention. And that's exactly what I did. You see, a few weeks ago, Shane started posting screenshots of one of these faceless channels he built, and the numbers were crazy. We're talking 276,000 plus views in 21 days, 1,000 plus new subscribers, all from videos that took minutes to produce and don't show his face or voice. So I messaged him immediately and I said, "What the heck are you doing? Tell me more." And at the time, he wasn't planning to release this as a low-ticket product. In fact, he was going to offer it quietly in a small $997 private group. And I was the first person to jump in and pay. What happened next is what brings us here today, because instead of keeping it private, we decided to team up and bring this to the Warrior Plus community. This system is about one thing: turning invisible videos into visible traffic and visible traffic into income. It works for the two channels Shane has built, and both of them use AI tools to create videos fast. Both are completely faceless channels, and both have gone viral, and with just 10 minutes put into each video. And this same strategy can be applied to all kinds of niches and topics. And we're not just showing you what Shane did, we're giving you the full system so you can do it too. Inside Invisible Traffic System, you'll discover the exact faceless formats that are working right now, how to create stunning viral videos in just minutes using free and low-cost AI tools, how to trigger the algorithm to give you tons of free traffic even as a brand new channel, and most importantly, how to turn that traffic into an email list that you control and into real revenue using simple monetization steps. Even if you've never uploaded a video before, even if you have no audience, no camera, and no editing skills, this system makes it possible to build a traffic-generating channel fast and grow it like an asset you fully own. As you start getting all this traffic, you can direct it to your own email list, affiliate products, your own products or services, all kinds of merch. You name it, this is your traffic to do with as you please. But not only that, you'll find yourself getting monetized by YouTube really fast because of the massive number of views you're getting. Remember, this isn't theory. It's not what could work. This is what's already working right now for Shane and others who followed his model. And you're getting access to the full system today for far less than what Shane originally planned to charge. So here's your next step. Scroll down, click the button, and get instant access to the Invisible Traffic System. You'll see exactly what Shane did, how he did it, and how you can follow it step by step, even starting from zero. It's your chance to build a faceless, freedom-focused channel that brings in free traffic, email subscribers, and passive income, all without being on camera and without having to be YouTube famous. If you're ready for that, then Shane and I will see you on the inside.